Hi guys, and welcome to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Flywing wl450 version 3. This is a GPS stabilized 6-channel RC helicopter designed for stunt flying. For those of you who don't know what I mean by stunt flying, this thing will fly upside down, and its power to weight ratio is extremely aggressive. It comes in this bright green color and bright orange. They used to have a white version, but they don't really do that anymore. As far as I can see, we're waiting to see if we can get hold of the white ones, but at the moment it's just orange and green. This is version 3. It's always good to get a couple of versions in. It means that they've made several improvements. It comes in this really what feels like a really high quality case, really well protected, and stores everything in its right slot, so it's really good for storage. It comes with this FlySky remote. In another video we've got on one of the larger helicopters, we go through all the details of how you operate this remote, but it is a really good quality remote. We sell a lot of FlySky aftermarket RC transmitters and receivers for planes, fixed wing planes, and helicopters. As you can see, it takes 4 AA batteries. You can use rechargeable batteries in this. It does have a AC input if you want to use it, if you want to charge them in the controller. Comes with a few spare bits, comes with an Allen wrench, comes with a USB-C connector so you can plug in the flight controller into your laptop and modify it if you want to, if you know how. Comes with a quick fly leaflet that talks you through how to take off, etc. The Allen key has every single size you'll need to maintain this RC. Full length is 700mm, height 195mm, width 120mm. Total weight is 790 kilograms without the battery in. It has a 13-turn motor and 81 tooth main gear. It flies in a stabilized mode with GPS, so it has 3 and this means that the heli will stay in exactly the position you place it based on those satellites. Even if it's in heavy wind, it will angle itself correctly to correct itself and keep itself in the same position. The other mode that you're probably going to want to use, especially if you're buying this helicopter, is 3D manual mode. And that allows you to fly freestyle. Basically, you're in total control of the heli. And I definitely suggest that you watch some videos on what I mean by this. I'll try and link in the description some videos of people flying this to the right level, because it can do some pretty impressive maneuvers. Comes with this 4-cell battery already included in the package. So this is a ready-to-run package we're selling. The battery slots in. What I didn't realize here is that actually the battery holder clips out, so you can slide it out. I didn't realize you didn't have to Velcro it in, so this is why I'm messing around with the ruler to try and get it past the Velcro. Actually, what you do is you press a little clip and you slide it out, and then you can unvelcro the battery from the holder, put another one on, and then slide it back in. But I didn't know that at the time, so I had to mess around. The battery is a XT60 connector. The other thing that you can see in the background there, the orange thing just behind my hand, is the charger that is included. So everything you need is included in this package. So it's a 16-volt brushless motor configuration. So it will take up to 6S. Again, there's an XT60 connector on the rear tail, which just clips in, it pops in, and then it pops off. There's another lever that you push to pop the tail rotor off, and I can't wait to try one of these things out. In the next couple of weeks, we're going to get a video of one of these things flying, and I'm going to try not to crash it. radiocontrol.co.uk is the sole supplier of Flywing products in the UK. If you need any parts or accessories, do get in contact. We are slowly getting more and more stock of these because they're flying off the shelves. We've sold loads of these. Pretty much everything that we've got in so far is sold within 1 or 2 weeks. But we have a big batch on its way by sea. So in 2025, we'll have loads of these. Please do like, follow and subscribe to the radiocontrolled.co.uk YouTube channel. It really does help us keep lower prices because it helps us drive free traffic to our website.